Quality team is one of the most important functions in any factory, but also one of the most misunderstood. They are expected to ensure quality without stopping production. They are responsible for issues, but don't always have authority. So the real question is your quality team solving problems or just managing pressure every day? Hi, I'm Sagar Naik, founder of Swades QMS and quality management consultant. In this video, we will talk about the real daily challenges faced by quality teams, what is actually happening on shop floor, and how organizations can fix these problems. Simple, practical, and based on real manufacturing experience. Challenge 1. Quality is always blamed. Let's start with the first challenge. Whenever issue happens, quality is blamed. Even if process is weak, material is faulty, machine is unstable, still quality is responsible. This creates pressure and slowly confidence reduces. Challenge 2. Quality has responsibility, not authority. Quality team is responsible for product quality, but when they try to stop production, they are questioned. When they raise issue, they are ignored. So, they are responsible, but not empowered. Challenge 3. Output versus quality pressure. Production target is important. So, when conflict happens, output gets priority, quality gets compromised. Quality team is forced to adjust. This creates internal conflict. Challenge 4. CAPA closed, problem returns. Many times, CAPA is closed, but issue repeats. Why? Because root cause is weak. Actions are not sustained. Quality team keeps handling same problems. Challenge 5. SOP exists but not followed. SOPs are available but on shop floor, people follow their own method. Quality team keeps reminding, but without system control, nothing changes. Challenge 6. Firefighting daily. Whole day goes in handling issues, closing complaints, managing pressure. No time for system improvement. Quality team becomes firefighter. Challenge 7. Quality is seen as cost center. Many organizations think quality is cost, inspection is cost, rejection is cost, audit cost, but they don't see cost of poor quality. So investment in quality is limited. Challenge 8. Peer culture. When quality checks happen, people become alert, but not open. They fear, blame, pressure. So issues are hidden. Challenge 9. No real-time visibility. Quality team gets data late. Issues are known after damage. So control becomes difficult. Challenge 10. Lack of team alignment. Quality, production, maintenance all work separately. Goals are different. So alignment is missing and problems increase. The problem is not quality team. The problem is system. Quality team cannot fix everything alone. If system is weak, problems will continue. We need to change thinking from quality department responsibility to quality is system responsibility. Everyone is responsible. In a strong system, quality and productions are aligned. Problems are solved permanently. Data is visible. SOPs are followed. Quality becomes built in, not inspected. Let's make it practical. First, align quality and production. Use common metrics, FTR, rework, losses. Second, strengthen daily management system. Daily tracking of issues, actions, performance. Third, empower quality team. Give authority to stop process, raise issues. Fourth, build no blame culture. Encourage reporting. Focus on process. Fifth, improve problem solving. Strengthen root cause analysis. Sixth, make SOP practical, simple and usable. 7. Improve visibility, real-time data, visual management. So what's the role of leadership here? Leadership must support quality, balance output and quality, build system. Their mindset defines culture. When system improves, problems reduce, stress reduce, quality improves, productivity improves. Most important, team alignment improves. Quality team is not the problem. They are trying to manage a weak system, fix the system, support the team, build quality into process. If you found this video useful, like this video and subscribe to Swades QMS. We will continue learning practical quality management in a simple way. If you want to build strong quality systems and support your teams, you can contact Swades QMS. Details are in the description. Thank you for watching.